Meet CoGo, the new standard for dependability and asset risk management, where forearmed is forewarned. Let's get started by outlining 3 truths every operational team understands. First, ensuring the reliability and performance of your critical assets is essential, be it a pump, a motor, a drive, or electrical switchgear. Second, balancing risk mitigation with operational efficiency is a constant challenge. Do I have enough people to do the work? How many person hours is it going to take to ensure inspections, maintenance, and proactive upgrades are completed? The third truth is that gathering and integrating data on those assets, especially from remote locations, can be challenging and very costly. Until now. At CoGo, we are proud to announce that we have the first FM-approved Class II condition monitoring system. The ARM system is able to monitor your operations 24/7, and we can save you up to 90% of the time required for inspections. We are setting a new standard in quality and dependability with real-time operational data, proactive maintenance, and risk visibility. Imagine having the peace of mind of enhanced efficiency and prioritized safety, all integrated into one package. Kiss sleepless nights goodbye. The ARM system offers real-time access to your operational data, so you can relax and enjoy personal time without fretting over your plant operations. Should any issues arise, rest easy knowing you'll receive immediate alerts on your mobile device if anything requires your attention. Empower yourself and your team to stay informed, proactive, and ahead of the game when it comes to key assets of your operation. Let's talk about proactive maintenance and risk visibility. No more guessing games. With our proactive maintenance feature, we've taken the guesswork out of predicting asset failure. We notify you of any anomalies or if any tolerances, like temperature or vibration, are exceeded. This allows you to address potential issues before they escalate into major problems. Safety isn't just a priority, it's a promise that we make to our people. Our real-time monitoring and alert system help you stay ahead of potential hazards, reinforcing your commitment to employee and environmental safety. CoGo's proactive approach safeguards your workers and builds trust in the communities that you operate in. But sometimes things do go wrong, and when they do, it's important to get on top of the situation fast. Failure to do so has a costly outcome. Asset failure claims can be massive. Even a sawmill blade failure can cost a business over $1 million in downtime. The human cost can be even more catastrophic. The initial shock and trauma, the ripple effect on families, then the economic consequences of victims seeking compensation and justice. CoGo's ARM system works to protect you from outcomes like these. Now let's take a look at user experience. We've designed ARM to give you instant clarity through an uncluttered interface and intuitive visuals. We make it easy to understand millions of data points to bolster your decision-making process, simplify the complex, explore the uncharted, and make your critical decisions based on available real-time data. Ensuring the highest level of security and reliability is our utmost priority. In today's climate of increasing cyber threats, we've got you covered. Our solutions are built with the strongest encryption and are designed to guard your data against all odds. We promise uninterrupted operations no matter the challenges. Your security is not just another feature, but the very core of our product. One of the features that really stands out to our customers is how easy and intuitive our system is. Our products require minimal effort to install, configure, and use. So even if you're a non-tech-savvy user, no problem. We've designed our system for easy onboarding and integration, making life smoother and more efficient for everyone. Our solution runs on 3 integrated components: advanced sensors, IoT wireless gateways, and an interactive online portal. You can monitor vibrations, disturbances, and temperature, all instantly reported and sent directly to your online portal, which means you can access that information anywhere, including your Apple Watch. It's about delivering insights with optimal efficiency when it matters most. With CoGo, you get a seamless, scalable, and secure asset risk management solution. We're built on the robust Microsoft Azure platform that provides a secure infrastructure and the ability to connect directly with Dynamics Business Central, all with minimal effort. In fact, we are platform agnostic and can be web-based. We are proud to be certified by FM Approvals, a respected leader in third-party testing and certification, validating that our products meet the highest internationally verifiable standards of quality, integrity, and performance. Notably, we have the first FM-approved Class II condition monitoring system in their esteemed catalog. Need reliable customer support? We've got you covered. Our team is committed to ensuring easy communication within your organization, be it email, text, or a simple phone call. We are here for you, ready to provide the support you need when you need it. The saying goes, forearmed is forewarned, and this is precisely what we offer with our CoGo ARM solution. By offering a platform that is rapidly deployable, seamless, robust, and easy to use, we ensure our customers' security and reliability demands are met. With CoGo, you can provide peace of mind to your operational team, your C-suite and investors, as well as the communities you serve. Please reach out today for a demo.